I have a bunch of watches in my collection, but are there any that I regret buying? Well, spoiler alert, yes, there are, and I'm about to share them with you. Welcome to the Watch Closet. I'm COE33, Co for short, and guys, I think it's safe to say that I'm cuckoo for watches. If you enjoy watch collecting content as much as I do, help me grow this channel and appease those algorithm overlords by subscribing and ever so gently polishing that like button. Before we get into the main topic of the video, let's do a wristwatch check. I'm wearing the Fossil that I just got for my birthday and I did an unboxing of on the channel. Look at that beautiful skeleton dial. It's got those applied indices and that brown leather strap. All right, watches that I regret buying. Oh boy, I'm looking forward to this, guys. Okay, so I'm sure this happens to you. If you have a lot of watches in the collection, there's got to be pieces that you regret buying. And I would love to hear about that in the comment section below. So let me know. I've got 3 watches here now, 2 that I still have, 1 that I already sold. So that tells you a lot right there. And I'll share that. Actually, why don't we start with that? Okay, so I bought this watch, and I'm going to bring up some graphics right now. There you go. There it is. Look at that thing. Okay, why did I buy this monstrosity? You're asking yourself right now, and I don't blame you. Okay, so this watch from WatchStar is a golfing automaton watch that I saw. Well, first of all, I love to golf, so that's one thing. I do enjoy golfing quite a bit. I thought, well, this would be a perfect watch to wear while golfing. Well, no, it's not. This watch is massive. It was the biggest watch I'd ever purchased by far. It's bigger than my Invictas, which what the hell? And I just felt ridiculous wearing this thing. And for when I got it in the mail, this was the like I always size my own bracelets myself. I could not size this bracelet because of the way it was manufactured. I brought it to every watch store and every watchmaker and every watch repair shop in town. No one would touch it. And finally I went to a master watchmaker that was able to, with 2 people, was able to resize this bracelet for me. What a pain in the butt. And I put it on, and the thing is massive. Now, I thought, well, this, when I first bought it, I'm like, look at that automaton movement. So the golfer, he like hits the ball, and the ball goes up, and the person lifts the flag, and the ball goes in the hole. I thought, that's amazing. They even have a variant with a samurai. But this is not a cheap watch, guys. I had to pay up for this. But yeah, this was a major stinker. I don't know what I was thinking. Luckily, I put it up on eBay. I sold it. I almost got my money back out of it. So wasn't a total loss, but it was certainly a hassle and one ugly ass watch. Okay, the next 2 I still have. And one of these watches I actually like. So why do I regret buying this Bulova Computron? Well, this watch is super funky, right? Look at that thing. But I like a funky watch. This is the reissue of the Computron that Bulova put out. You can get it in the gold tone, the silver tone, and the black tone. I picked up this gold tone. But guys, I overpaid for this watch. So I was actually at that watchmaker that I was just talking about that sized the bracelet for that god-awful golf watch. They are a Bulova certified dealer. And I saw this in the case. I'm like, whoa, I have to have that. But I paid full retail for this. It was a total impulse buy. And here's the thing, you can get these watches significantly marked down. You know, Bulova, Citizen, it's worth being patient with these larger watch manufacturers. A lot of times on Amazon, you can get watches like this for half off. You know, Citizen will go sometimes 60% off. You can get deals, and I knew better, but it was an impulse buy. So is it the worst buy I've ever made? No, because I like the watch. I do wear it. You know, it doesn't go with everything, but every once in a while I'll throw this on. It's a statement piece. And look at that red LED. How cool is that? Oh yeah, I love that. This is an awesome watch. So out of the 3 I'm sharing today, this is the one that I regret the least because I actually like the watch. I just wish I waited and got a better deal on it. But this next watch, guys, I don't know why I still have this in the collection. It needs to go. I need to sell it. I keep it for some reason. Look at this. What was I thinking when I bought this watch? Now, I did a video on this channel talking about Invicta, and I think the title of it was Why Invicta Watches Don't Suck or something like that. And that video has gotten a lot of views on this channel. People, and it's ruffled some feathers. Now, the overarching kind of concept of that video was I like Invicta. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Invicta watches in my collection. So Invicta overall as a brand, I think offers a lot of value for money. But they also have a lot of things that drive me crazy. And this is kind of what, when I think of Invicta and tacky watches, this one to me kind of stands out. It's huge. It's way too big for my 6.75-inch wrist. And I don't know what's going on here with these lume pips around that giant matte black bezel. I do like, why I bought it is because I do like that skeleton dial. I think that's really intricate and really interesting. I do like it. But then you got this giant, look at the behemoth. Look how thick that watch is. Oh my God. And it weighs a pound. I mean, this thing weighs, this the heaviest watch I have by far. And yeah, it's not something I wear. It's just too big. If you had a giant honking wrist and you want to make a statement, all more power to you. And honestly, that's something that I think a lot of people missed on my Invicta videos. If these big watches are for you, great. I'm not here to say that this isn't a good watch for you or you shouldn't wear something. I'm here to give my opinion on what I think about this watch and whether or not I would wear it. And the answer is no. I never wear it. I need to sell it. And yeah, what was I thinking? All right, those are the watches that I regret buying. Those are some stinkers. Let me know in the comment section which one was the worst. And what watches have you purchased that you wish you hadn't? Do you have any regrets? Let me know. I'm posting new videos every Friday at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can count on that. It's like clockwork. Follow me with my watch collecting adventures over on Instagram at Cuckoo for Watches. I'm live streaming on Twitch every Tuesday and Thursday. Follow me over there for wrist checks and retro gaming at COE33. And if you're enjoying the content, be sure to watch this video of me unboxing and giving my first impressions of a very cool Fossil watch that I got for my birthday. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your watches wound and your sapphires polished.